Hey everybody, Fox here. Welcome to FoxArwen, my channel where I show off my art and unbox dolls, building my collection 2025. It's like we are in the future. It is crazy. Oh my goodness, I had a lovely birthday haul from March and I got her. I've loved the Swim and Style dolls. Melanie Lux, I didn't get her from the what was it, Rainbow Vision line. I just thought, let's see what she's like. Now she was $30. This is the chalk hair and style. Rainbow High Hair Chalk and Style, 5 colors. All right, let's chalk up some hair. So the Swim and Style girls are 12 to 15. They're more 15 now. And so this was 30. So I'm going 15 for the doll, 15 for the product. Let's see what it's like. The packaging is lovely. You know, my critiques, my criticisms of their packaging lately because it's been so obnoxious. So horribly obnoxious. But I think overall, oh my gosh, these watercolors they're horrible, they're deplorable, they don't work. But okay, so we can rinse and repeat. We put the chalk in. You know what? Let's just, I know, I got like the toucan. So we had the lovely spring ice storm on my birthday and melted, which is nice. Power back on, which is good. Filming. And another storm on the way, and I'm just like, cool, not chilled, but cool in my studio. So I need definitely I definitely needed to just have my toque on. And yes, it says Canada. I'm a Canadian collector also. I said Bryce, so I talk about her Canadian. There you go. All right, let's do it. Let's just get into it. How's your April going? What are you up to? Any plans, projects? I don't know what the hands are doing today. They're just vibing. They're bouncing. All right. Oh, I think this is actually quite easy to get into. Let's see. Okay, I got you. And I got you. So can I love me packaging. That's easy to get into. Where am I just want to throw everything on the floor. Okay. First me, then you. Ooh, oh, ooh, ooh, she has good hair. It's a little product. That's weird. Oh, I do love the outfit. All right. Melanie. Sweet, sweet Mel. Oh, she's so cute. That lip color. Oh, that lip color is gorgeous. Okay, I am holding out hope that this chalk style stuff is works, because the watercolor create didn't, and they put it out knowing that it didn't work, and shame on them. But let's go into it. Be right back. And here is Mel. Oh my gosh, the eyeshadow, her eyebrows are gorgeous. That lip color, like this bronze green chrome. So she has straight blonde generous hair. My only thing I take umbrage with is that there's gel in it, so how am I supposed to put the chalk? But I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go with the product they give me. She has fine baby. Here's her outfit. Rainbowed 2-piece bubble skirt. This is fabric. This isn't like that crazy plastic stuff. She has excellent plastic feel, and of course, rainbow, not my face. Rainbow strap booties. Okay, we're going down to the table. Me, you, all of us. I don't know. It sounded weird. Okay, I'm petting her. I already like her. She's gorgeous. These budget dolls and their bodies, so well made. Never thought I'd buy a budget doll. Can't believe it. Okay, down to the table. We're doing all this stuff. Come on, girls. Let's do it. Well, I already love her. You know what? I haven't like instant fallen in love in a while. Ooh, she has earring holes. So she is articulated at her head, shoulder, and hip, of course. Oh, lighting, what are you doing? She is a budget girl, and she just has a jelly chain. Is it like chains? It's supposed to be like gems. A jelly gem you know what? She doesn't even need this piece. This is one of those things where I think the outfit is a standalone, all on its own. Oh, my white balance has no idea what to do in life anymore. I like the cool and warm sides of the rainbow. Here we go, guys. Let's get into it. She comes with a standard rainbow high comb. Comes with a variety of colorful barrettes. So the chalks are in individual packaging, red and red packaging, blue and blue packaging. You get it? And then they go in here. So I'll just show one on camera. Ooh, they come with good elastics. Oh, I keep these for dolls. Okay. So this is pink. So how do I get, oh, this is a cardboard insert, but how do I get in? So you take the bottom off. What is the white balance doing? All right, so I've brought you in closer. So you take your bottom off, you pull the cardboard out. This is pink. So we grab pink. Ooh, that's a very waxy chalk. Okay, and then you just slide it in. And slide it in and put your little bottom piece on. Throw the trash out of the way. Wait for your camera to focus. Okay, wow, this is very waxy. Okay, good. Yep. So it looks chalky, it looks waxy. So I'm literally just going to. All right. Sometimes with chalks, you have to really get them going. I really do find these get in the way, but oh, of course, things are happening. Strange things. Things falling off things. Okay, let's try. Chalk it up. Okay, so there is payoff. You know what? This is something you'd play at for like a while, get it going. I don't even know. I understand the applicator, especially for kids, so it doesn't get too messy, but if you really want a hair chalk, there we go. So yes, she is chalk. Subtle, let's try different colors. All right, so I got the blue in. Let's chalk it. Really gotta press. They feel much more like, okay, there is some subtle payoff. So the chalk is in. That was 5 swipes in total. And then when you brush, because obviously you're gonna brush to style it. Okay, yeah, it still stays in there. I'd say overall it's like a very light color output. And the pink's on, so you can see it. Alrighty, so some show up a little more. You can see the pink, you can see the teal. You know what, overall I think it's a fun product. $30, why not? But I always just want the doll, so the white balance. Oh Lord, filming is dynamic. Alright, let's brush her hair. I'll get her a little style. Thing is, as you can see, the chalk little things are now everywhere. Mel is adorable. I put all her little clips in. Some say rainbows, some just say RH, RH. And as you can see, I brush her hair, and yeah, the chalk doesn't really stay in well. I think for playing with her, oh Lord. Okay, she is a heavy shedder. I have to enunciate that. Yeah, it's falling out in, the first few handfuls were clumps. The poor thing. So when you get your doll, give her a good hair brushing first. Prep your little waxy chalks. I mean, it's fun. It's not anything to write home about. This is okay. It works. Kids might enjoy it. It's fine. But I would like to see this head rehomed on an articulated body because her makeup is just stunning. The outfit is fabulous. I love the shoes. There are so many pieces. Like if you love the doll, get it. Why not? Lives are short. Lives are short. Oh, the lives are short. Okay. Well, me and my Duke have to go do other things now, but that was fun. I'm glad I unboxed her. I've been very curious about if these chalks work, and unlike the watercolor, they work. If you love it, get it for yourself. Why not? Love me the bubble skirt. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, I'm going away now because that's all I can say is how cute she is. Okay, guys, I hope you're having a good April, and I'll chat with you later. Next doll unboxing, next Wednesday. See ya. That was weird. Okay, bye. Fantasy pop art coloring books, now on Amazon.